Hello everyone, welcome to the module 2 of our crash course. In this first lesson, we are going to learn how to import CSV file from your local drive. In module 2, we are going to use a dataset which is called Survey of Household Economics and Decision Making. This is a survey conducted by the Board of Governors of the Federal Reserve System. This is just like the financial well-being dataset that we worked in module 1. This is a publicly available dataset. Here is the link to that dataset. What we are going to do is download this data from this website and then save them in a local drive and then bring them to our RStudio. First, let's download the data. If I click on CSV zip, this downloads the data file which is inside a zipped folder. If I click on this takes me to where it has been downloaded. So usually this will be downloaded in the C drive, Windows, if you are using a Windows computer. So if I double click on this zipped folder, then I get this folder, and inside that we have this public 2022. So I'm just going to copy this and bring them to the local drive folder. I created a folder called Shared Data Analysis, and I'm just pasting this here, and I'm going to repeat this for the other data sets. So in this module, I'm going to work with Shared 2017 to 2022. So these are the data sets that I'm going to download and bring them all inside that local drive folder. Okay, so I have downloaded and copied and pasted all the data sets from 2017 to 2022 in this Shared Data Analysis folder. Now I am going to my RStudio. I'm going to click File, New File, RScript, and then I'm going to save my RScript in the folder where these datasets are located. And I'm going to give a name to this RScript. I'm going to call it Shared Data Analysis. Then click Save, and we saved our RScript. Now the first thing that I have to do is set the working directory. So for that, I'm going to click on Session, Set Working Directory to Source File Location. And then I'm going to copy this line that's being shown in the console section. And then I'm going to just copy this, and I'm gonna paste this here. So this basically sets the working directory. Every time I run this code, I am telling R that this is where my files are located. So the next thing that I'm going to do is bring in the datasets that I have downloaded. But first, let's create a comment, importing shared datasets. So the first dataset, let's call this shared 2022, then the assignment operator. Then we are going to use a function called read.csv, then the name of the file, which is public 2022.csv. So if I select this and click run, this should bring the file in to our global environment, and it looks like it has successfully imported the data set. And I'm going to do this for the rest of my data sets. So I'm just going to copy and paste my code. So now I can select these lines and click run. Now we have all the shared data sets that we wanted in our global environment. And in the next lesson, we are going to merge these 6 data sets by the common columns. And then we are going to create a grand data set using which we are going to learn some more usual skills that you require to analyze survey data in R.